Okay, if you download the link, then you get this file and you can open this with extract all. But I prefer 7-zip. You can download it here, but I'll do the easy part, extract all. Yes, extract all. That takes a while, so I pause for a moment. Okay, so the library at the end is a little bit slower, and it's even slower as I thought. 5 seconds remain long, 5 seconds. Okay, then you get this because I check mark that it should open. I have, if you have this, I have to copy that. You have this X, then it is okay because I checked this and these X's with this program and we found McAfee finds my installer a thread. So you have to switch off your virus scanner for McAfee. The other one, Google, that's probably for Play Store, and those I've never seen before. So if you, I hope your virus scanner is not throwing out the access or in this zip file. Otherwise, you have to download it again, or you can ask your colleague student to put it on a USB disk, the 2 access, and provide it you, and then without the virus scanner enabled, do install it again. Okay, because we have everything, we can delete the zip file. That's 90 gigabytes more of space. Then let me see. If you want to install everything for a student to work the first 2 years, you do the following. You do this, and then run as administrator. And I show more details. Sometimes you have to cancel. Sometimes you have not accessed and you have to select something else. What this gives you is information that is installed on C disk, the version, what your temporary file is. That's especially interesting if you want to install on another disk. Then you don't want the temporary file to be on C. Something on 11, EDVPN will be installed, the computer will be rebooted, and my mail address if you encounter problems. Okay. Then we press OK. If something wrong, cancel, and that nothing has happened to your computer. Now we're going to start installing. And this first is extracting the custom files from our install, and after that the Siemens NX will be installed. I pause for a moment. You see now that there is text there, start NX setup. You see that it extracted to the temp folder, and that takes a time. And you will get a pop-up menu that the setup is finished. And after that pop-up menu, that takes approximately the same time to close and clean everything and install everything correctly in your system. So I pause again. Okay, the Siemens setup is completed. When there's something wrong, most of the time you have the too little space, then you get an error. It's okay. And now it will take some time, almost the same time when you're waiting for this to continue here for the next steps, the installing for EDVPN. So I pause again. Oh, yeah, if you want to see what's happening, you can look at the task manager, those right mouse button, and then you look at the install services that's running, and somewhere there should be a Microsoft installer working. Yeah, Windows installer, sorry, I meant this. This is not working at this moment, so I'm curious. It's still working. Hey, you will get now this. You see immediately after I click OK, I adapted this thing so that I can continue. So I press OK, and this can be away. Then we're gonna have a look if EDVPN is working. I don't all EDVPN client. I hope I have to. That's a pity. I already configured it previously and he remembers it. Let me see. Okay, but I have some figures. Normally it starts up, you have to type in Fontys, and you have to select only the Fontys, the small Fontys. There's another Fontys, but you have not was not selected. Then he selects authorization required. Then you have to add Firefox or Chrome, then it works automatically. You log in with your account, and you press here on toestaan, allow, and then you are going to work, and then you should have this. You get a message that you have to refresh your connection after 30 days, and then you do the same thing again. Okay, this is okay. Now let me go have a look where NX is. Then do the same all, and the problem is, or not the problem is, that I have several Siemens installed, but there's always Siemens NX new. So I click here, and this is the startup. You can pin to start or something, but I always click here. This takes always a while. Strange is that it disappears and you cannot see that it's starting up. And please press here allow. I make a screenshot and the screenshot for the new manual. Oh, it does not does not make. So Let me see. What you maybe have to do. Let me see. I'm gonna new. I'm gonna let's see what it works. Model 14. Oh, that's wrong. Okay, here. And let me see. Let me see. I'm gonna if this works. I have a content and role advanced. Okay. Okay, so by default. Except I'm missing here the view group and the utilities group. I don't know how to make this available in the installer. Sketch. Let me see. This okay. And my favorite beam is escape. Double click 12. Yes. And then we don't select in the middle because then you get the middle point, keep a bit of the side, and then this 6. Finish. Extrude. 1000 is a little bit much. 100 is okay. So you made your first part. Press save. Okay. Application model drafting. Adricale, yes. Let me see. This is one. Then you drag this. Then you have already everything. Then you can dimension this. Rapid. This is more prone to selecting in the middle as the sketcher, and this. Because this is drafting, you're looking at glass windows, so everything in your 3D model you see. This we press save, and then we go back. Sorry, application modeling. And if we, I know this shortcut, but it's Control W. Then you can hide the sketches and the coordinate system. Close, and if you now go back to application drafting, you see this. This is, or I have to select remove the point also. This is you can remove that, but this is to select the views early. But that's not what I want to do. Go back to application modeling, and let's see if we can do a nice trick. And we're gonna do, we are modeling, we're gonna do more, and we go to topology optimization. Maybe this a bit better. Yeah, design space, hide mouse button, select body, steel, that's okay. Optimization, create new. I believe 117, this will be analysis constraint, create new. We'll make here, click. Maybe that's offset from the face, but I'll make that to 2, so that's always stick 2, and then I'll load select face. I want to have a force, and I want it in the -y direction, and I want 100 newtons. Now I'm missing some point in this optimization. Tries to go to 0.7 kilos, and then optimize. Normal mode supports no endless loads. Okay, maybe I select something wrong, and I see all what I did. This is optimized. I messed up. Linear statics. Maximize stiffness. So I use this mask to have the less bending. Okay, then again. The truth is I use this. I use this. No, this first time I used this in this version. Can I have preview? Okay, I paused this. This takes a while. Okay. This is finished. Close. And then we go here, finish here. Then we go to the modeling thing and we hide the extrude. And then you can see how this is made. Nice. And I forgot something. I have to. You can here also hide the design space, and then you can show results displacement 3.2 millimeters. You see here's 3 millimeters offset, and there you have no option to get offsets, and it makes an own one. So this is nice. So I'm sure maybe okay. The other one that's you're gonna use is simulations, and now we're gonna hide this and make this active. I'm gonna make a quick FEM simulation. New FEM simulation. EGS pass, I don't need that. Static manifold, oh, that's new. Geometry options, not symptom, that's good, that's all okay. Discrete solution. Okay. I hope that this is that it has the. You can divide by 4. It's just a calculator. That it has material properties already assigned in the modeling. We do the same as we with the topology optimization. Force 100 Newton minus y is okay, and solve, and we will give no material. Okay, then it's in the topology optimization is the default. Cancel this way, and we make, and we go here. Okay, here, and we go to film, assign materials, body, steel. Okay. If I had done it in the previous, in the topology optimization assigned steel, then this would be okay. Now, oh yeah, whenever you see this, allow. Okay, I was not watching. It's completed. This is okay. And then you go to results, structural displacement. Sure, that's magnitude. Okay, it's 0.18. So reducing the mass with almost a factor half to a factor 2 increases. Okay, that's very good, with double the displacement, because he uses the material correctly. But this is nice that this works. So the modeling works, the drafting works, and the FEM simulation works. That's what. Okay, the assembly I'm not going to test. That's for the course. Okay, thank you.